Hi guys, this is me Shweta. Welcome back to my channel and I'm in Munnar right now. It's so beautiful. And also we crossed 1,000 subscribers, you guys. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. And I thought I'll do a TMI tag for you guys. TMI is too much information if you don't know. That is some questions regarding my personal life. So I thought that a lot of you guys don't know me and don't know anything about me, so I thought I'll do this video. And also there is a surprise at the end of this video, so stay tuned and let's start. So there are a lot of questions for this TMI tag and I thought I'll just answer a few so that you'll get to know me more, and there are a lot of unnecessary questions which I'm not gonna answer. So let's start. And the first question is, what are you wearing? I'm wearing this this kurta type top which is cotton, and then a leggings. And yeah, and then I'm wearing this stole. Ever been in love? Yes. Ever had a terrible breakup? Yes. How tall are you? 5'3". How much you weigh? 54, 55. It varies according to days. And any tattoos? Yes, I have a tattoo behind me, if you can see. There is a tattoo right here. I'll post a clear picture right here. It's actually a dancing girl because I love dancing and I used to dance a lot, and now also I do the dance and I love dance. Dance is my passion, so it's a dancing girl, and also my name is written in it, so that's my tattoo. And any piercing? The normal 1, 2, and then I have 2 top piercing here with 2 rings, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4 piercing. Favorite show? Without doubt, Friends. Something you miss? I miss my family because I live alone right now, and I miss my family. I can't always go meet them during the weekends because I have Oreo, and traveling with Oreo is a very difficult task, so I miss my family. Favorite song? I have favorite songs in each language. I can't really say I have a lot of favorite songs, but then right now I can tell you my current favorite is Work From Home, Fifth Harmony. How old are you? I'm 26, and zodiac sign Leo. Quality you look for in a partner? Responsible, funny, trustable. Favorite color? Red and black if black is a color. Right now I'm kind of leaning to blue, I don't know why. I like blue a lot now. And then loud music or soft according to the mood. Sometimes I love soft music, and in the morning I need really loud, very hip music so that I have happy mood when I start the day. And where do you go when you're sad? I go to my family. And how long does it take you to shower? 20 to 30 minutes. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? Normal mornings, every day it's 10 to 15 minutes. If it's a wedding or any other special function, it can be up to 1 hour. Ever been in physical fight? Yes, when I was small I used to fight like hell with my sisters. I'm sorry. Turn on? Caring, responsible and funny. Turn off? Showing off. The reason I joined YouTube, I always liked YouTube and I always had this interest in beauty, hair, fashion and everything. But then why I started YouTube is when my sister got married, that is last September she got married, and for her wedding I had to do my makeup alone. So by like one year before, I started researching about makeup and hair and everything, and I learned a lot about all these during that period, and I was really interested in it. Always I loved to be a YouTuber too. And then I was really, we have this fear of starting something, and especially when it's YouTube, it's social media, we are putting out ourselves and we are letting others judge us. I don't know, random strangers judge us, so it's kind of a risk. And so I started by posting Oreo's videos online, and if you can see, if you go back to my videos, you'll see Oreo's videos. Like there are like 12-13 Oreo videos in my channel. I started like that, and then I got the confidence, and then I started uploading my own videos. Fears, my biggest fear is something will happen to my family or Oreo. I really used to, some days I don't even sleep because I get nightmares that something is happening to Oreo. That's my biggest fear. I can't even imagine something happened to him. If you don't know who Oreo is my pet. I'll show you his picture right now. He's not with me right now, so I can't show you him. He's with my family, and I'm in Munnar. Last thing that made you cry? I cry really easily. I think last time I watched some sentimental video in Facebook. I think so. Last time you said you loved someone. Today, money. Meaning behind your YouTube name, it's Glam Sue, because I wanted something related to me and Oreo. So something related to me as in beauty and fashion or glam, and that's how Glam came. And Sue is, Oreo is a Shih Tzu, so the Sue from the Shih Tzu is Glam Sue. So I didn't make this name. I have to give credit for this to my best friend Neetu, and Neetu made this name for me. I told her I want this, I want the combination of me and Oreo, and she came up with this name. Thank you, Neetu. And last book you read? I don't really read books. I'm really guilty of that. I don't read. I hate to read. I'm so sorry. Last show you watched? Modern Family. I love Modern Family too, by the way. Friends is my all-time favorite. Modern Family is my current. No, I can't say better than Friends, but then yeah, I'm enjoying Modern Family. And last relationship between you and the person you last texted? My mom, because Oreo is with my mom, and I told her what to give him, as breakfast. And favorite food? Biryani. Biryani or rice with fish curry. Place you want to visit? I actually want to visit. If you give me a chance, I want to see the whole world. I can't really specify one particular place. I really want to see the whole world. That's my dream. Extreme dream. Which I don't know which is gonna happen or not, but then yeah. Do you have a crush? You mean celebrity crush? Yes, I do have, but then I have a lot of celebrity crush, but then in real life, not really. Right now, no. Last time you kissed someone? Yesterday, Oreo. Yeah, my life is pathetic, man. Don't even ask me such questions. And last time you were insulted? I just ignore them, or I just talk back. I don't keep those in my mind for long. I just forget the negative thoughts from my mind so that it won't bother me later. Favorite piece of jewelry? Rings, clearly. Last song you sang? It's just me, myself and I, solo right until I die. Okay, that's it, and I'm gonna answer some of the most frequently asked questions in my channel. That is, what's my lens? It's from Bausch & Lomb, and the color is brown, double brown. That is brown double brown or something. Yeah, it's actually double color of brown. And yeah, after all this, the main thing I have to tell you guys is we crossed 1000 subscribers, so I'm planning a giveaway for you guys. So I thought recently one of my friends went to China, and I got a lot of beauty products from China. So I thought I'll give you some of it, and I don't have it right now with me. So I'm gonna insert a picture right here. What all you're gonna get? There are lip crayons, I guess. There are lip crayons. There is a set of small brushes for beginners, and there is eyeliner, I guess. So all you have to do is you have to follow me in all my social medias, and I'll link down all the rules down below, and I'll be announcing the winner after 2 weeks. I'll also link down the dates that I'm gonna announce the winner. And yeah, that's it. I love you guys. So I'm so happy that I got 1,000 subscribers right now, and I don't know how to thank you guys. It means a lot to me. I know 1,000 is not a big deal, but then I'm so happy. So thank you a lot, and I'll see you next week. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.